Hi everyone, it's Liz from Zuniberry Designs with just a quick screenshot of my new sticker set, a mini sticker set, Spring Blizzard. And we are going to be having, where we are in northern North Dakota area, is currently having a blizzard of the year. And so I have this little mini sticker set. So if you are interested, it's in my Etsy store, and I'm just gonna show you the stickers one by one. Here we go. We have a bunch of cute stickers. I think there's about 26 of them. And this is going to keep us indoors for at least 3 days. So we are all stocked up. We've got flashlights, everything we need to keep safe and warm. Hopefully the power won't go out. And if you are having a blizzard right now, I hope you can enjoy this little sticker set for you to record this event. All right, everyone, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.